Ladies and gentlemen, the first Armored Cavalry Group will represent a short mobility in this nation. Created as a rapid development force of Light Armored Division, Philippine Army. Present is
Nagpayamili sa hirap kuhanan.
under the operational control of Joint Task Force Land National Capital Region, providing combat support as well as non-traditional mission within AAOR.
Ulo! Puta!
The Armor Unit has combined arm concept designed to conduct armor-mounted combat operations, deploying armor-protected vehicles to close with the enemy by means of parallel maneuver to destroy him or impose assault to fire close combat and counterattack. Working to that stand is a mechanized section of First Act and that's formation composed of two APCs with their respective crew and mechanized elements. The newly upgraded APCs are capable of 5-team maneuver. That is, they can turn around 360 degrees without leaving its position. This enables the vehicle to be positioned and provided all-around fire support while moving. These war machines are capable of fighting in almost all types of weather and terrain, whether mounted or dismounted, using a combination of track, speed, and firepower as they destroy the closest in to the enemy. The 1st Armored Cavalry Group is Light Armored Division's first reconnaissance unit. TAG is the Rapid Deployment Force. Its mission is to conduct armored operation and support the AAP units in order to establish stability
Lalaro ng bomb car.
of AAOR. Presently, it has 2 mechanized infantry platoon as its maneuver force. On behalf of the officers and men of the Light Armored Division, it is with distinct pride and honor that we present to you a static display and demonstration of
Bok!
mechanized infantry
Bok!
squad.
Lobat na.
The
Malalobat na.
mechanized infantry unit is
Hanapin mo si
organized to
Lely.
fight successful
Si Lely.
engagements in conventional
Hanapin
environments.
mo, wala, hindi ko makita.
Either fight mounted or dismounted. When mounted, it fights as one maneuver elements. When dismounted, it forms 2 elements, a vehicle element and dismounted element. The armored personnel carrier is a low silhouette vehicle designed for overland travel and amphibious operations. Formed in front of you is the static display of the mechanized infantry squad, composed of 10 personnel, led by a senior non-commissioned officer, and it is organized into 2 teams, the carrier team and the dismount team. Carrier team leader